Hi everyone, it's Happymailqueen. I have a guest design team package from Aurielle Curry. She is Creative Mojo Wholesale Studio on Instagram, also on YouTube. So check her out. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Look how cute her packaging is. Look at this box. How beautiful is this box? I love it. Creative Mojo Studio. Oh my gosh, look at that blingy scissors. This is so cute, Aurielle. And I love it. It says, "Where will your creative mojo take you?" Yes. Oh my gosh. Okay. So let's take a look. Look how pretty her tissue paper is. So nice. Oh my gosh, I just love beautiful packaging. Okay, so we're just gonna dig in. And charm holder backs, 20 pieces, $1.59. You guys can't beat those prices. Oh my gosh, that's why her stuff sells like hotcakes. These are bales basically, and so you'd put it on, like if you have cabochons, you know, things that you want to hang, you would attach it on the back, and I would use glossy accents, or if you want it super duper strong, then you would use E6000. But how cute! All right, so thank you for that. So see, you'd put a cabochon, you'd just glue that on like that, and then you have it, you can hang it, right? So great. All right, so there's that. Can't beat that. All right, and then she has some snowflake gems. These are 20 pieces. They're $1.59. Super duper. Oh my gosh. These are so pretty. So they're pearls, right? But they're flat backs. I mean, they're snowflakes. Oh my gosh, they're so dainty and cute. Oh my gosh, I love them. I just love her shop. I mean, oh my gosh. It's like no wonder her stuff sells so quickly. I just love the items she chooses, you know? Okay, so moving along, I will do this. Moving along. All right. Then she has snowflake bottle caps. Oh my gosh, how adorable is this? So at first I thought they were actual bottle caps. And I was like, wow, that's teeny tiny. But they're cabochons, guys. They're cabochons. And you get 10 pieces for $1.99. What a great deal. And you get our favorite colors, pink and mint green. Perfect for the holidays, right? Perfect. I love this snowflake. It has little gems on it. So they're enamel. So they color it with enamel, and then these teeny tiny gems. Do you guys see that? Oh my gosh. Too cute. So look how cute these are. These are the 4 different charms that you get. So cute. Okay, so moving along. She also has some of these. Look how cute, they're little chocolate chips. So great, again, for your shakers or for your resin. Oh, and look at these. These are peppermint, you guys. I think they're little itty bitty candy canes. Okay, and then look at these. Let's open it because it's kind of hard to see this one in the bag. These are snowflakes, but they look a little bit different. So again, these are slices. Okay. And do you guys see that? There's one that's imperfect. So that one's gonna get tossed. But look how cute! The little snowflakes. So that's fun. You can mix it up with regular snowflakes. And then, oh my gosh, these are so pretty. So I have nothing like these. I don't think I have any of these. Anyway, they are peppermint, but they're just different colors. So I think she has several different colors in the shop. So this is blue for those fun snow projects, wintry projects. It's not necessarily Christmas, but winter. And then, okay, so the other ones come in, oh my gosh, there's so many colors, I've forgotten. Look, you guys, these are the other colors. So this is it's pink and red. And I'm so happy that it's pink. Even though, you know, I do like the traditional ones too, but I think these are just harder to find. This one is like a darker pink. And then there's mint. Is that focusing? I feel like it's not focusing. There you go. Then there's mint. And then there's this fun purple, which would be great to go along with that, what is it, the cookie, oh my goodness, what is it called? It's the Michael's paper. And then you have clay sugar cookie. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. They do have names on them. Pink swirl. Sorry guys. I got excited. Purple swirl. Mint swirl. Peppermint swirl. And then this one I was questioning. Oh, candy canes. So this is candy canes. And then this one's blue swirl. And this one is chocolate chip. And they're $2.99, guys. So how cute are these? Oh, they're like sugar cookies with a little Christmas tree on it. Do you guys see that? Let me see if it's gonna focus. Okay. Look at the itty bitty Christmas trees. That is adorable. And then, what else? There is also, whoops. Oh, one more of the yellow is just, it looks so pretty. These are little snowmen. How cute. Oh my gosh. And look at the gingerbread. Oh my gosh. One more after this one. Look at these. They're the mixed beaded chain. So I did get a little, I did get some last time from her shop. I didn't get the package or the design team package, but I did get some. I think I got some in pink. It's pink and this color. It's kind of like, I guess it's mint. Oh my gosh, but look, now there's a variety. Oh, thank you so much. I love these. And look at the purple. Oh my gosh, you just get a variety and it's so much. 40 pieces for $3.99. Oh my gosh, you cannot beat that. You cannot beat that. That is so great. And for those of you who don't shop AliExpress, I mean, this is the store for you. Let me tell you. I do not like to wait, you guys. I don't. There's only select stores that I will shop at Ally. I just, for the most part, I don't shop at Ally. Except for Alina Craft, okay? But otherwise, I cannot. These, oh my gosh, she sold out of these so fast last time. And I was like, oh, I wanted some of these. And I actually had this in my cart on AliExpress, but I never pulled the trigger. Like, I never got it. Because I'm just, I don't know. I can't wait. So yay! Now I know where to get some. But I have to, you have to be fast in her shop, you guys, because you snooze, you lose. Like, seriously. So that is it. Thank you so much, Aurielle, for sending me this design team package. I am thrilled. Like I said, you have to run when she has stuff in the store. Anyway, I do have a code for you guys, so please check the description box. If she has this on pre-order, the code is not gonna apply. So just you kind of have to wait until she gets it back, like in stock, like, you know, she takes it out of pre-order. That makes sense. Okay, so anyway, yes, go visit Creative Mojo Studio and have fun shopping, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.